Hey everyone! If you want to learn how to use Google Meet on mobile in 2026, this beginner guide is for you. I'll show you how to join, create, and manage meetings step by step on your phone. First, open the Play Store or App Store and install Google Meet. Once installed, open the app on your phone. Next, sign in with your Google account. This is required to join or host meetings. Now tap Join a Meeting and enter the meeting code. This lets you enter any online class or meeting easily. After that, tap New Meeting to create your own session. You can start instantly or share the meeting link with others. Next, allow camera and microphone permissions. This is necessary for proper video and audio communication. Now, copy the meeting link and share it through WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. This is how participants join your meeting. After that, use features like mute, chat, captions, and raise hand. These tools make meetings more interactive and useful. Next, you can turn your camera and microphone on or off anytime during the meeting. This helps control your privacy during calls. Finally, tap Leave Meeting when you are done. This safely exits your session. So yeah, that's how you use Google Meet on mobile for beginners in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to join and host meetings easily. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more mobile tutorials for fast and simple guides.